Attention parents. All of the videos on How To Kids are kid-friendly, but direct adult supervision is required for all of them. We do not knowingly collect, use, or disclose personal information from children under age 13. If you are under age 13, you must ask your parent or guardian for permission to watch this video or any video on How To Kids. Thank you and enjoy How To Kids. Welcome back to
How To Kids!
Today we're going to show you how to make a really easy, really cheap lightsaber.
Yeah!
It's going to be cool, huh? I want to invite you to like and subscribe, hit the notification bell so that you're notified every time we create a new video. So hopefully you can do some fun things together as a family as we're doing it as well. We're doing this lightsaber partially because we've been watching a lot of Star Wars lately. As we've been in quarantine, been stuck at home, we've watched some of the Star Wars and it's been really fun, so we thought, hey, let's make a cool lightsaber together. We're gonna make 4 of them for under $5, which is a really good deal. So first, you need a 10-foot length of PVC pipe. That's what we bought to make 4 of these. You can also get a 24-inch or just a 2-foot piece. We're gonna show you how to make those as well. And then, we went to the dollar store and got pool noodles. So we got 2 of those, $2, the 10-foot length of PVC pipe for $2.60, a little over $2.60 with tax and everything. It came in under $5 to make 4 awesome lightsabers. We also need duct tape. We had that already on hand. If you have PVC pipe cutters or some way to cut the PVC pipe, that's what we used to cut these. You'll need a knife, cutting board so you don't mess up your table, and then a tape measure to get the right measurement. Okay, so what we did is we cut 3 lengths at 29 inches. Okay, so we took 29-inch pieces that we measured out with our tape measure, made 3 of those, and we could have done 4 at that length, but then we also did one just for our purposes. We did one at 24 inches, and we have another one that already was pre-made at 24 inches. Okay, so those are the sizes that we wanted to make. For the 29-inch lightsaber, we're going to cut our pool noodles just right in half. These are 4-foot pool noodles, and so we're going to cut them at 24 inches. So then that way we have 2 out of 1 of them. So it cuts pretty easily. There we go. Just cut it right in half. So that one's for Tanner. That one's for Cade. For the 24-inch pieces, for the little bit shorter one, for this guy right here, we're going to cut the pool noodle at 21 inches. Okay, so I'm going to measure out 21 inches for that one. Right there. Okay. I'm going to cut that at 21 inches.
That's baby yellow.
Alright, so there's your pool noodle for your piece. Okay, so we've each got our pool noodle. And then let's each get our piece of PVC pipe. There's your 24-inch. There's your 29 and my 29. And the first step, what we're going to do is we're going to take a piece of duct tape. We're going to use black. And you're going to basically...
The dark side is black.
And the dark side is black. Okay, so you're going to take a square piece, approximately. It doesn't really matter the size, but you're going to take a piece of duct tape. I'll give you each a piece. And you're going to put it over one end of the PVC pipe. It's okay if it doesn't look perfect because we're actually going to put another piece over it. Okay, so you just kind of flatten it around the edge there. So put it on the end and then push it down on the sides. There you go, yeah, just like that.
I thought it was like here.
And then can you push it down on the sides so it sticks down on the sides? Okay, so what we're doing there is we're creating the cap that's going to go on the far end, away from the handle.
It should look like this.
Yep, should look like that.
It should look like a gun.
So you're gonna cover up that end, and this is also gonna help it stay on the pool noodle. So we're gonna get another piece that's gonna wrap all the way around the PVC pipe, and we'll show you how to do that. With this piece, what we're going to do is we're now gonna wrap that part that we just stuck down. We're gonna put it kind of as close as we can to the top, and we are going to tape down that piece that we just stuck on the top, but what it's also going to do is it's going to help keep the pool noodle on the PVC pipe so it doesn't slip around and fall off.
Like this.
Yep, just like that. Okay, so you're gonna wrap it all the way around, taping down that part that you just did.
Dad, I kind of messed up on this screw.
That's okay. You can just tape it down. Okay, so you're gonna stick that all the way around, taping down the piece that you put on, but it's also gonna help to hold the pool noodle on to the PVC pipe. It also will make it, in case it does ever slip out, that this isn't sharp along the edge there or hard and hurt somebody, just not as quite as hard. Once we've got that end cap on, what we're going to do is we're going to take the end that doesn't have the tape on it and we're going to slide it through our pool noodle.
Oh, that's going to be a hard part.
Okay, so slide it all the way through. It's kind of tough, so you're going to need probably some help. I find that it makes it easier if you twist it. It goes through a little bit better. Okay, so once you've gotten there, see how it's almost there? You're gonna grab the other end, the handle end, and now you're gonna keep twisting and slide that down in. Once again, the reason we have that is so that it stays on nice and tight. So it might be a little bit hard getting it on, but that's actually a good thing because that's helping it to be nice and tight on there. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to pull it through until the end is about 1 inch below the edge of the pool noodle. Because you don't want, when you're fighting with these, you don't want them to start hurting people, and that end is a little bit hard. What we want is about a 6-inch handle. That's what we found for these guys, is about right. For Eli, it's going to be about a 4-inch handle or so on the end here. So that's going to be about 6 inches. So you're about 1 inch in from the end there. So that's what we got to do. So let's get all of yours where they're supposed to be, okay? So we've got them all in position about 1 inch below the top. And now what we're going to do is we're going to make the handle a little bit easier to hold, a little bit safer and smoother, put some duct tape on there as well. Once again, the first thing we're going to do with the handle is we're going to put a piece of tape on the end to cover it up and to kind of soften those edges a little bit. And then we're going to wrap the handle all the way up with whatever colors that you want. Most lightsabers look like kind of black and silver, so that's kind of what we did here. You notice black and silver, so make whatever design, whatever style you want on the handle. Okay, so we've all got our tape on our handles, made them look how we wanted to make them look. If you have a little tiny bit of white at the end right before when you get to the noodle, the nice thing is you can just slide the noodle down a little bit, cover it up. Because once again, you have about 1 inch up at the top that you have to work with. One of the other things we really love about these lightsabers is they're really strong and sturdy. Yeah. But they're also safe. And so a lot of the ones that we've bought in the past at the store, you end up fighting with them and they crack and they break and they stop working. They are cool because they light up and they make cool sounds. But these are really sturdy. They last a long time. And you can have a lot of fun with them. And like I said before, $5 to make all 4 of these. It was less than $5. The last thing we need to do with our lightsabers is we need to go fight.
Yeah.
Right? Do a lightsaber battle. So let's go out and do a lightsaber. Hope you had fun making these lightsabers today. Be sure to like and subscribe so you see our future videos.
Thanks for watching.